Hey everyone, today we are going to give you another review, that is magnificentco.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, and it is getting popular in United Kingdom and people are curious to know about it. If you are one of them, just watch the video till the end because we are going to give you the real and unbiased review regarding this website. It is an online website in UK that provides home appliances and daily products. Furthermore, this online website offers international shipping. The product they have are mosquito killer trap, telepatho lens, 3D rocket lamps, portable mini string machine, 13-ton thumb piano modeling tool, playhouse sticker, auto car cleaning gel, warm pet hoodies, straw wireless cleaner holders. So it was actually registered on 10th March 2021. Like, it is recently created. It is HTTP secured. We have discussed the product they are dealing. The email address which they have mentioned is not matching the domain name, which is not a good sign. Moreover, they have not mentioned their official address on their website. No contact number is available. Even no social media icon could be found on their home page of the website. The payment method they are accepting are PayPal and credit card. The positive point of this website is that it is HTTP secured certified website and is enough creative and provide accessible tools for your daily use, is quite affordable and easy to access. Moreover, they have mentioned their return policy regarding all products. Some products offer good discount. The negative point of Magnificent Co. are the domain is very recently created and has a short lifespan. The website offers very limited products and of limited design. No reviews are detected on the product. No refund policy is mentioned on official website. There are no social media sites attached to this website. For better connectivity, the contact information less mentioned on the website. So the question is Magnificent Co. is legit? So we are going to check out certain parameter. As we have discussed, it was registered on 10th March 2021 and the trust index score is 1%, which is not a good score. In fact, no social media presence could be found for this website. Moreover, on their official website they have not mentioned their official address. So in our final verdict, as we have discussed, it's poor trust score and recent creation of the domain. So we suggest to people that it is a scam website and you must not visit it, and so you may not get scam and you may not lose your money. It's better not to buy anything from this website. This is the all recommendation from all of for all of you.